Okay, for today we're going to make a traditional ginataan dish during Holy Week, which is the bilo-bilo. So the ingredient, or yes, the binignit. So the ingredients are, we have the langka, of course, the malagkit. So this bilo-bilo is a Bisaya version. Kasi dito sa Manila, yung bilog-bilog na, what do you call that one? The ground glutinous rice, which is you're going to circle that one and all. And our version is our bilo-bilo version is the Bisaya version of bilo-bilo, which is the malagkit, the saba. Here's the colored tapioca pearl. We also have the langka, the sweet potato, and of course the sugar. Of course, the ginataan. Oh, what do you call that one? The coconut milk. Okay, so we'll start. For the malagkit, the glutinous rice. Boil. And cover the coconut milk with glutinous rice and make it boil. Okay, kaya bukad-bukad naman siya guys. So, isunod na nato ang sweet potato. Kamote. Then stir. Ay, okay. Then cover. Okay, so natun na to guys na yes, lumambot ang kamote.
Tapos na.
Okay, this time guys, butang na ang saba. Saging saba. Boil for then, kayo karon and takloban ng buto. Okay. So, natulaton gamay, taod-taod mo. Maluto na ang saging. Ayan. So, okay kayo guys. Fiber. So, guys, nilaghan ng sabaw. Kaya gibutang siya boiled na water. And then of course, kaya gibutangan man ng mga ingredients. So, due to the number of ingredients, ayan, nalaghan siya. Okay, so this time guys, ibutang natin sugar. So, the amount of sugar you're going to pour, the kilo, depends on your needs. So us, just put 1/2 sugar, 1/2 kilogram of sugar, 1/4 rather. Okay, and stir. Okay, ukay, and fry. Okay, the remaining ingredients are langka and the colored tapioca pearl. Okay, so this time guys, we'll put the langka on our bilo-bilo texture, our biniglit. And stir properly. Kaya wala man nila ko nga kaldero, so wala. Yes. Okay, now this time, okay, the last ingredients, the tapioca pearl. Okay, so mga pinakagusto sa mga colored tapioca pearl. Okay, stir. And later on, stir and stir. Okay, and get it oil. Last one guys, ilok ba niya yung ingredient? Ako ba yung black oil?
So, eat now.
No guys, daghan na siya plato ng karibot, kaya daghan ng ampon.
Yes.
Uy, kasaba ninyo. Okay.
Please,
Ano inahan?
Ganito kadaming anak mo, girl.
Kasi.
Parang, ilog lang.